Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be packing up some Happy Mail, so I thought you guys might like to see how I'm doing that today. I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time, so I thought it would be fun to share with you guys. So the first thing that will be going in here is a box of candy. I did a Tombow post on how to make these like candy sleeve things, and I'd actually gotten the idea from my friend Sabrina. She had done this, I think, for either the holidays or Valentine's Day, I don't know, but I think it's super cute and it's a fun way to dress up a candy box and make it kind of match your whole theme that you're going for. Next, I have this little situation that I created. So it looks like this. The bottom is a little box. I think it's really cute, and then on the lid, it's kind of like a matchbox thing. So it slides out, so it's like a little drawer and then a little box on the bottom. So I think that's really fun. So I'm going to put some fun things in here. I'm going to put a bunch of candy because I think it's fun for summer, as well as some fun gum. So those will just go in there. And then I also have this really cute stamp set, so I thought that would be fun to share. And then that just flips down. This is like the lid to the box. And then in the little drawer part, I'm going to be including some stickers from the collection that I've been using this month. So there's just a few different ones in here. This one's really fun. So I thought it would be nice to share those, and it will also help reduce the amount of stash I have left, which is good for me. So I have some orange jemmies that I thought my pen pal would like. The squishy pineapple, because that's really fun. And then some little yellow star sequins, also for my stash. And then also I had these in my stash, this pack of Amy Tan thickers, and I never reached for them the whole time that I've been using the On a Whim collection. I've had them in my stash for over a year and I've never reached for them. So this month was kind of like to reach for them or get rid of them type of thing in my mind. So I haven't reached for them, so I'm going to pass them along and hopefully my friend can use them. All right, so this just goes like this, and this is a really fun pineapple ribbon. So I'm just going to tie this together. Like so. And that will be cute like that. And this, you know, helps keep the top box closed, keeps this from sliding out and this from flipping up. So that is what that looks like. And then on the bottom, I glued the ribbon in place and then just covered it with a piece of scrap paper. So I think that's really cute. And then this fits perfectly in here. I made it to fit in the box. So if you're thinking of creating something similar, make sure to measure the inside of your box so everything fits really nicely. I'm also going to be including this glitter tower. I do have a video on this and I thought it'd be really fun to send to my friend. I'm going to use some blue crinklies from the Dollar Tree. Just gonna help fill this out just a little bit so this little guy isn't rolling around too much in the mail. Okay, so that looks like that. And then when I was at the Dollar Tree somewhat recently, they had these fun lays. So I got a pack of them. I think there was like 2 or 3 in a pack. I thought that would be just like a really fun way to include a shot of summer in a box. So that looks like that. And then I will put my note on the top. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little process of me packing up some Happy Mail. Let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I can definitely do them. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!